the way back to Stan. What's he gonna do this time? Give it to Scotty. 3 on the way. And Scotty Thompson's three-point shooting. That's the only way to go. Mariano to Japet. They set him up. And that's the thing. James Yap found a way to the basket. Gets that one to go.
That was good though.
I think he just changed.
We could have just paused the game there.
Yeah. Set up Chris Rosales mula sa kanto. Chris Rosales, 2 threes, wants a 2. It bounces in for Chris. 8 puntos na para sa animan lamang nila at this point. On Mubere. 3.
No!
Well, in the first period para sa Barangay Ginebra. But this guy off the bench, 8 puntos for Coach Caloy Garcia, and the Rainers shine the last to Painters. It's a 9-point spread at the end of 1. This to start this period, Capiral wants 3. 60+%.
And so alam ni Japet at nire-respeto niya yun.
Yap, one-hander on the turn, nothing. Bo Belga on the tip-in. Score na score sa kabila, tayo wala kanina pa. Babawi pa ngayon! And that was in Pringle's face,
Yeah.
as if to say, good defense. And then they finished that break perfectly. James Yap. Under 2 minutes remaining. Tenorio from 3.
Oh.
That's Borboran on the inbound. Oh, what a big shot. Scotty to the hoop. Defense upstairs. Diretso sa kanya palagi, no? Oh, look at that. Stanley lofted in the midair. Now it's with Pringle. He's in the lane. Puts it up. Won't drop. Joe Devanza missed, but his own offensive rebound and put back.
I mean, you'll be surprised na hindi double-double.
Bo had to pick it up. Left it for Mambatak.
Again.
And Bo, that's 2 straight assists para kay Big Moko now. Ahead to Bo. Easy 2 to LA. Look at the defense, huh? Oh, Scotty hits it. Split second lang yun. Pringle makes his move. Scotty. That's a 3 from Scotty T.
It's how to do it, especially if you're against Barangay Ginebra.
Understatement. JV Mocon 3. That's big. Scotty Thompson, but if team is down by 3, Mocon wants to make it 5.
Oh, he's coming.
Scotty sets the screen for Pringle. He goes baseline. The reverse!
Oh my!
They're in this position to actually take the driver's seat right now. Stan wants it, and he gets it. JV will take a 3. Oh! Just a 1-point lead for Rainer Shine. Stanley on the spin.
Look at him. Look at how the defense is collapsing. That was a difficult shot by Stanley.
Nambatak.
Oh!
Oh, being Ray Nambatak.
Whoa!
Stanley. Jumper. Now to Bo, open from 3. The fake, inilapit ng konti. Bounce pass kay Borboran. What a pass! Mocon is open from the 15-foot line. That's short. Bo Belga gets to it.
Wow.
Now, he's in the lane. Scoops it up. Ayaw pa rin. Gets his own miss! Overtime. Bo Belga 3. Oh! Stan will try to create. To the hoop. Gets it to go. Attack. Down to 5. He slips. Passes to Ponferrada on the run. Basket is good.